Alrighty, I'm doing a bit of a video here on the takedown of Mauser bolts because my daughter and brother asked about a Mauser Nagant. I don't have a Mauser Nagant. I told them I do have the Mausers, and I should have put that in the set. Hold on a minute, I'm going to check something here. As you can tell, there's no ammunition in the gun. So, I'm going to slide that back in. Okay, it is in the center position. Wanted to make sure, because to take the bolt apart you need that in the center position. Otherwise you're going to have a dickens of a time getting the thing put back together right. I'm going to use the takedown disc in the K-98 here because the M-48 does not have a takedown disc nor a hole drilled in the butt plate. Okay. What I'm going to do is this. Press this button here, and I'm going to turn this, unscrew it, and that will take your firing pin, spring assembly, and all that out. You've probably seen this on other videos. You can clean the inside of these with your cleaning rod. You can disassemble the whole thing, but I have trouble with that, so I mainly just clean that as best I can with a oily rag and get oil up on the moving parts. But to disassemble this, you stick that down in there like so. You depress down like so, and unscrew this without pinching yourself. Ouch. As you can tell, oh boy, I think I may have messed up. There we go. There we go. Because that spring is under pressure. As you can tell, that's your retaining piece there. Now, this is your safety. You can take that off of there like so. You can clean that. Put it back together like so. I'm going to take this spring off of here. Actually, that's not too bad. But, as you can tell, that firing pin has a little trace of cosmoline back here. And I'm going to go ahead, grab a cleaning rag, put a little ballistol on there. I am not sponsored by Ballistol or any company, so please don't say that I am. And you can tell that firing pin needed it. It's the first time since I've owned the K-98 that I've taken the firing pin and all apart. So you're seeing something. I'm going to set that on stock because the stock will drink up the oil rather than the carpet. To put it back together again, slide the spring there, move that like so, put your spring and firing pin down there. You got press. Hold on, folks. It's got to fit on there just right. Otherwise, you're not going to get it to depress at all. There we go. Then you stick that on there. Rotate it there. And you got it. Just like that. Then you stick that back in the bolt body and screw that down just like that till it locks. And the reason I brought the M-48 bolt out is the fact I've never cleaned that inside. Plus, one nice thing, this won't fit in the K-98 body. It won't lock down. It's a little bit longer than the bolt for the K-98. So I can't get the two bolts mixed up, but I decided to do them individually so I wouldn't get the parts mixed up. Okay, here we go. Let's see if I can do this right without causing any problems for myself. Can't you tell I like to laugh at myself? Yeah. That's what that one looks like. I could probably use a little cleaning before I even see what that does. Yeah, just a little bit. Not too shabby. Let's see when I take the thing down. Okay, let's press down. Lift that up. Ease up on that. Just like that. And I can tell you this puppy's dirty. Yeah, it's going to need a better cleaning than the K-98 did. Yeah, it's dirty. Okay. Get me another cleaning rag. Oh, I got some here. Okay. Put a little bit of that on there. Do. Oh yeah, it's got some dirt on there. There's the firing pin. Part I was seeing the dirt in is right in here. Same thing with the safety on it. Yep. Just like that. And this is one of my other hobbies. I may take the bolt, firing pin here. Oh yeah, it has a little bit of dirt. Yeah, I like to maintain and use my firearms. It means I've not shot either one of these so far. I just want to make sure all the cosmoline's off from them before I take them to the gun range and put some holes in paper. And that's what I got. Okay, let's put the spring back on this. Oops, wrong way. Yes, I make mistakes. Drop that in there. Take our safety housing and the safety, and we'll put that all together here. There we go. The safety switch is now on there. Drop that down on there like so. Put that in the center position. Oh, come on. As you can tell, I'm not one of those people that just get things slapped together in a hurry. Uh-oh. Ow. That hand's getting a little sore. Yeah. Come on. Go! 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 Ow, ow, ow. Yep, that hand's getting sore. Yeah, that takes quite a bit of pressure to do that. There. Come on, turn. There we go. Whew, that's one tight spring. Whew. That's a little tighter than the K-98. Note to self, don't do 2 Mausers in one day. And there we go. Oh, we'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.